we're going to show you how to add a wrecking ball to the end of your chain. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to move everything up a little bit, or actually, you can just take this and move it down. Shh. Okay, so I can just move this down a little bit. I'll take my box select B, and I'm just going to move the chain link up a little bit, like this. Okay, so what I want to do is press A, select everything, zoom in. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to make this link. So I'll use the Shift command. Okay, zoom in on the top link. Hold down Shift again to pan up. Right click on the MacBook. It's two fingers on the trackpad. And I'm going to change this. It's still leaving it on active, but this time we're going to turn off dynamic. Okay, so what this means then is this object will stay in place. Okay, so when I press Alt A this time, the chain link will, this one will stay steady. I can move it up. You can see the chain will break apart. So if we escape that, just go back a bit. Okay, I will just put those up. So do B again. Box select. Move the chain up a little bit so it's not falling onto the platform. So this time I'll press Alt A. Okay, so the chain is hanging above. That's what we want. Perfect. Okay, so skip that. Now we want to zoom in onto the middle or to the bottom one. So hold down Shift again, pan down, zoom in. So this time press A to unselect everything. Right click again to select. Okay, so this time we want to go into edit mode from here. So whenever you add an object in object mode, it becomes a separate object, but we want to add something to this one. So we press tab to go into edit mode, and we do just click here. That's where we want the ball to appear. So Shift A. We're going to add a UV sphere. Okay, so it's a bit small looking. So what we'll do is press S, make it a bit bigger. A bit too big actually. We'll just come down a little bit. Okay, that's probably good there. Just move it down a little bit. Okay. So now when I press tab again, this object now is part of the bottom of the chain. Okay, you see it's attached to the chain. Okay, so when I press Alt A, you can see it's fell down. So we can see it's almost on the platform, but it's hanging on there, so that's good. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to pause it there. So try that. Also, when you're at this point, you can do Shift Control C. No, not that one. We'll come back to that one. So just try that one out first, and we'll tell you the next stages coming up. Okay.